To enable or disable quick share on Realme Note 70T, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, go to connection and sharing over here. And after that, you should be able to find quick share option. So go there, then you can choose who can share with you. You want to make sure that you are visible to nearby devices if you want to use quick share. And on the other hand, of course, if you don't want to use it, then you can just turn it off. In addition to that, it is recommended to switch either to contacts or to everyone when you are trying to use quick share. Most likely you actually have to go for everyone, and by default we can set this option for 10 minutes only. But if you need more time, you can uncheck this box and you can just continue using quick share, and you can manually turn it off again by either switching back to contacts or your devices, or just completely disabling, just by quickly disabling the visibility. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.